And now, bago tayo magtapos, isummarize natin ang tatlong pangunahing experimental designs na napag-usapan natin. Una, between subjects design. Dito, magkakaibang participants ang nakakaranas ng bawat condition. Halimbawa, Group A may caffeine, Group B walang caffeine. Dahil isang condition lang ang experience ng bawat participant, walang order effects. Simple at malinis ang comparison pero kailangan ng mas maraming participants. Ikalawa, within subjects design. Dito naman, parehong participants ang dumadaan sa lahat ng conditions. Halimbawa, parehong students ang nagtetest with music at without music. Mas controlled ang comparison dahil participants serve as their own control. Pero may risk ng practice, fatigue, at learning effects. Ikatlo, mixed design. Ito ay kombinasyon ng between at within. May magkaibang groups pero may repeated measurements din over time. Halimbawa, dalawang teaching methods na sinusukat before at after the course. Sa madaling salita, between, compare different people. Within, compare the same people. Mixed, compare people and time together. Kapag malinaw sa researcher kung kailan gagamitin ang bawat design, mas magiging matibay at credible ang experimental research. Alright class, quick final knowledge check tayo bago natin tapusin ang topic tungkol sa experimental research designs. Ito ang mga tanong na madalas lumalabas sa exams at minsan pati sa thesis defense. First question, which design has no order effects problem? Choices. Within subjects. Mixed design. Between subjects. Repeated measures. Ang correct answer ay between subjects. Design. Bakit? Dahil sa design na ito, isang condition lang ang nararanasan ng bawat participant. Hindi na nila inuulit ang parehong task sa ibang condition. Dahil dito, naiiwasan ang practice effect, fatigue effect, at learning effect na kadalasang problema sa ibang designs. Now, second question. Which design has the greatest risk of order effects? Choices. Between design, within design, cross-sectional study, survey research. Ang tamang sagot ay within subjects design. Sa design na ito, parehong participants ang dumadaan sa lahat ng conditions. Dahil inuulit nila ang tasks, posible na gumaling sila. Dahil sa practice, bumaba ang performance dahil sa pagod, o maapektuhan ang results dahil naaalala nila ang previous tasks. Now last question. Which design can test interaction between group and time? Choices. Between design, within design, mixed design, correlational design. Ang correct answer ay mixed design. Dahil ang mixed design ay may between subjects factor at within subjects factor. Kaya nitong pag-aralan kung paano nagbabago ang epekto ng treatment depende sa group at sa panahon. So bago tayo magtapos, tandaan ninyo ang simpleng framework. Between subjects, compare different participants. Within subjects, compare the same participants across conditions. Mixed design. Combine both to analyze group differences and changes over time. Kapag malinaw sa researcher kung kailan gagamitin ang bawat design, mas magiging strategic, valid, at powerful ang experimental research.